So we have done the ring 2023, and what an epic trip it has been. I'll turn around just so you can get a decent backdrop. We have had an absolutely brilliant time. Loads of TTs come, everyone's had a great time. Watched the video before so you know what to expect. We've done go-karting, we've done the tobogganing, watched laps, done laps, ate food, drank beer, had a fantastic time. Just wanted to thank every single person who came out and every person who was supporting everyone who came out, because it was quite a lot of work getting done to the cars prior to coming here, because it was a little bit last minute for some of us. I'll just give you a quick look around what's here, because there is an absolute plethora of gorgeous TTs. Of course you recognise this red one, that is my old V6. We've got this gorgeous silver one, in the wars a little bit, but it is a work in progress. Quattro Sport. We've got Brins Votex, which has been driven by two guys who flew from Texas to the UK and then drove from here, and they've done more laps than I think most people here. You've got Jim's 3.2 convertible, which he bought recently solely to do road trips and track days with. We've got Darren's QS, which has already been in the garage once having some repairs, but fair play to him. Kyle brought his second choice, his 225. The V6 wasn't quite ready, maybe next year. We've got my Glacier Blue, because I wimped out and didn't bring the noggy because I couldn't fight the bucket seats and the roll cage for 1,000 miles, so a bit of a wuss. Brins Milf Hunter's TT, which he's done an absolutely great job with. Andy trying to hide from me in his Tondeo. We've got the lads from Ireland, all the way over from Ireland, so they've already come on 2 ferries just to get here. Fair play to them, didn't even know they were coming, to be fair. We've got Alex and Hannah's gorgeous purple TT, done a lovely job of it. We got Angelo's black one, looks a heck of a lot better than the last time I saw it. He has done some serious work with it, looks absolutely fabulous. We got Victor's, which if you've watched the channel before, this is the TT I met last time we were in Germany. Absolutely wicked. Carl Chris, of course, chickened out and brought the Mark II instead of the Mark I. We've got Daryl's TTS and George's TTS, two very different looking cars. Both TTSs from the factory, but look at the difference, a massive difference between the two. George is pretty well modified with carbon V10 wheels, and Daryl's is sporting the original gorgeous look from the TT Mark II TTS. I absolutely love these TTSs, and no doubt one day you'll see one on the channel. But I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who came, and of course the 2 minis that snuck along as well, not being TT owners but still came for the ride. What an absolutely fantastic trip. We'll be doing more trips in the future. Massive headache, but for me anyway, for the planning. But what an absolutely brilliant trip. I just wanted to thank everyone who came. We thoroughly enjoyed it, and of course I hope you enjoyed watching this. I know it's only been a short and sweet video, but I've been having a bit of time off and fully enjoying myself with this trip. But as always guys, thanks for watching, and bye for now.